Okay, so here we have a short question on plate movement. Okay, so we just have 3 short questions, circle the right answer. So our first one, and they're all to do with the map here. Our first one is the area indicated by the line XY, so this line here, is called the Pacific Ring of Fire or the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. So the Pacific Ring of Fire would have circled the whole Pacific, and it would be a ring, as it says in the title, and that's where most earthquakes and volcanoes occur and are active. Whereas the Mid-Atlantic Ridge is one line going through the Atlantic and especially going through Iceland, which we know, looking at the map, we have Europe here, we have Ireland and the UK here, and Iceland up here. So that's going through Iceland, so we know that that's the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. So we just circle that here. Plates are colliding / separating in the area along this line. So when plates collide, they form fold mountains or volcanoes or even earthquakes. When they separate, they can form earthquakes, volcanoes, but when they separate in an oceanic region, a volcanic island will form, or an underwater ridge. So that's what the Mid-Atlantic Ridge is. It's an underwater chain of mountain range. So that would be plates separating, allowing the magma to rise. It meets with cool water, it solidifies quickly, and then over time, as the plates keep on separating, that builds up and forms that ridge. Now, the third question, plates move because of convection currents / ocean currents. So ocean currents have nothing to do with plates moving, because plates are underneath the surface of the earth, whereas ocean currents occur in the ocean above the surface of the earth. So that's already ruled out, and then convection currents is the correct answer, and they develop in the mantle through the heat of the core underneath. So the correct answer is convection currents. And that's those 3 questions complete.